What is up guys, Express Design here, and I'm here with a different video. I went to my comment section. I went to your comments and I'm going to do everything your comments asking, or just questions or whatever you have. I'm just going to answer it. I'm only going to do like a couple of them, not all of them, because maybe I want to make a series out of this. I don't know, I'm not sure. But let's just jump in the first comment. Let's see what my subscribers want to ask, or what the question is. How do you crack Photoshop 2021? Good video though. Now here's the first problem. I didn't crack Photoshop 2021. I paid for it, and I pay monthly for it. It's expensive though. It's €12 for me every month. It's quite expensive. If you don't have any clients or you don't have a stable income, I wouldn't do that. I also wouldn't crack anything. I don't know. Don't crack. It's legal. I have to say this. I completely didn't do that as well when I was 12. So the next comment is, hey man, this is really great. I'm starting to do banner art as well, and I'm wondering that what software / site do you use to make those pieces? Well, Steven, it's Photoshop. I don't think I said that enough, but I use Photoshop. All my videos is Photoshop. Sometimes you have an Illustrator and a Blender in there, but mainly yeah, Photoshop. I think I also put #Photoshop in my videos so everyone would know that I use Photoshop though. But thanks for the question. Up to the next one. Where do you get your renders? Well, this is a common question. I get this a lot on a lot of videos, on a lot of anime banners. Just Google, really. I just type in the anime, and then after the name of the anime, I'll show you an example. Render, boom, and you have tens of thousands of renders you can work with. You just click on images and you have tens of thousands of images that you can work with. Just make sure you can use them. Anyways, there's a lot of nice renders just on Google. To the next one. What was that shortcut you used to fill the blue? Okay, I think I know from what video this is. To fill in my background, you first need to select what you want to fill, and then you just press Alt backspace. I can show you. Let me just put my Photoshop real quick. So once you're in your Photoshop file, just first unlock the file. That's basics. And then let's take blue, because the question is blue. You select what you want. Doesn't really matter. You can do with a pen tool as well. Select what you want, and then just press Alt backspace, and there you go, it's filled in. Makes a video teaching how to download Photoshop. Makes a video, sure. I'll make a video showing you how to download Photoshop. What is up guys, Express Design here, and I'm here on a video how to download Photoshop. The first thing you want to do is just type Photoshop into Google. There you go, you have Photoshop. Just click on Adobe Photoshop editing software, and you can just buy now. Click on buy now, fill in all this shit, and then you can download it. So yeah, there you go, that's how you download Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching. How much for a custom banner? This is also a very common question that I get a lot, like how much is your price? What do you ask? What should I ask to make for my banners? €20 for a custom banner. I think it's reasonable price for the designer if you want to support him in that way. If you can, you don't have to. But for beginner designers, like I got a lot of beginner designers on my channel, I would say ask 10 to start with, and then once you feel more comfortable in Photoshop and your passion for it, go start up at the price. Go to 15, and then you say 20, and then 25, and then 30. If 30 I think is a reasonable price. And then once you become a professional, you can ask like 200, 300, 500 for just a banner. Like that's the price. When I try to download the pack, I click download and nothing happens. I have run out of all my downloads and really want this pack. Can you help? Okay, my pack is on payhip.com. You go just to my link and you see my graphics pack. This item is free, so just click on download now, and I think you just have to fill in your email, and I think then you will get your download. So just let me do that for you guys real quick. Continue. The item is ready for download, and just click on download now. Send me product updates and offers via email. You can also do that, but that's just simple. Click on download now, and you will be getting it right there. Download page has been emailed to your email. The next question is, where do you get that paper texture? Well, where do I get that paper texture? That is in my process pack. Also, if you don't like that paper texture, just type in paper texture on Google, and you have a lot of paper textures. It's not that difficult. What other software do you recommend for people without Photoshop? I understand you guys don't have the money to buy it or don't want to crack it. The thing is, there's a lot of great software. I used GIMP in my day. I don't know if GIMP is still good these days, but GIMP was a software that I used. Paint.net is really great nowadays as well. Pixlr, I think Pixlr was also one. It's on your browser, and you have amazing tools that you can use to make amazing banners. Okay, up to the last question. I blurred her face and name because I thought maybe that was a real name. I don't know. Next question: how did you transfer the pack from another to the ones that you're editing? I want to know because the tutorial was so fast. You commented that on a speed art. That's not a tutorial. Speed arts are just what I make, and I just want to show you guys how I made it, but it's just a speed art, just entertainment and everything, you know how it is. Not a tutorial, so I will show you how I do that. Just, there you go, there's a process pack. I'll make a new pack when I hit 5k for sure, Just go with your move tool. That's the first move tool. That's the first one. Or press V. You can also get the move tool like that. Then you just select or like pick it up, the circle, so you can move it, and then just drag it all the way to the other layer and let it go. And there you go. There you have your little circles. Let me just fill in the background all blue so you can see it. But there it is. There is your little circles. You just move them. Just literally move them. Just pick them up. Stick the smoke all the way up to the left. Then drop it in your file. And there you go. There you have it. That's so simple. Well, that was it. That was the like 10 comments. I think that was a great idea. If you like this kind of style, just let me know and comment down below what you want to know. Quick little things that I don't have to make a whole tutorial about it. And yeah, if you have any more questions, put them in the comments down below. If you have any video ideas, let me know as well. Also, we hit 2k. Thank guys a lot for this. So 2k special. Now the thing is, I wanted to do a contest for you guys. Like, you make a banner or like a poster or like whatever, a profile picture or like something for me, and in return you will get money because there's a contest. So like the first player will get like 15 euros, and the second place 10, and the last place 5. I don't know. I'm not sure if a lot of people will join the contest. So what I'm gonna ask, if you're still watching by the way, is would you be interested in a contest like that where you can win money or like a game or like whatever, or like you can win a video like with me and they can talk to me or whatever, or private lessons, or I don't know, a duel that we both make banners and I'll put it on my channel so your channel will get promoted as well. I don't know, would you be interested in a contest where you have to make something for me and you get a prize out of it? I don't know, at least like 50 people have to make something, I think, and then I'll put it on Twitter, and then otherwise I would do it for 5k. If you guys would join, let me know in the contest, and I'll maybe make it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this answering your comments video. I think I'll do this more often. I think this is a fun idea. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, do more fun, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.